Good morning, and welcome to your morning breathwork session. Today, we'll dive into a 10-minute rhythmic breathing routine to energize your body, clear away any negative energy from the day before, and set the tone for an amazing day ahead. We'll breathe in through the nose, out through the mouth, with a short breath hold in between each round. Sit upright with your spine tall, lift through the crown of your head, and we'll begin round one in 3, 2, Beautiful. Feel your belly expand as you inhale. Let the breath rise to your chest and release it fully with each exhale. A new day means a new beginning. Think about the energy that you want to bring into your life today. What kind of day do you want to have? Last breath, and we're going to go double speed. Follow my breath. Five more breaths. 4, 3, 2, 1. All the way in and hold at the top. Exhale in 3, 2, 1. Let it all out and hold on the exhale for our first breath hold. Holding completely still, relax, and just be present. Imagine any negativity clearing away. Thinking of your intention for the day ahead. Take a deep inhale in 3, 2, all the way in and hold at the top. Exhale in 3, 2. Great work. Let's move to round number 2 in 3, 2. Follow the rhythm. Good. With every inhale, invite in positivity for the day ahead. With every exhale, release anything that doesn't serve you today. Imagine your breath clearing away any negative energy. Remember to breathe deeply into the belly, let it flow up to the chest, and gentle exhale. 2 more breaths, and we'll pick up the pace. Double speed. Three, 2, 1. Fully in, all the way up and hold. And we'll exhale into our second breath hold. Notice how your body feels. Notice the energy you've created. Any tingling sensations or warmth? Just observe. Inhale in 3, 2, 1. All the way in. Deep belly breath and hold at the top. Good. Feel the energy and hold. Exhale. Beautiful work. Moving on to our third and final round in 3, 2. This is it. Let's finish strong. Back to the rhythm. Feel the energy building within you. Halfway there, keep the rhythm steady and strong. Imagine the day ahead filled with light, laughter, and endless opportunities. Breathe it all in. Last breath, and we move into double speed. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Deep inhale, fill all the way up and hold. Exhale into your final breath retention. Coming back to your intention for the day ahead. Feeling calm, grounded, ready to embrace the day. Allow yourself to simply enjoy this stillness. Stay present and visualize everything working out perfectly for you today. Life is going to be amazing for you today. Ask the universe to show you how good life can get today, and watch the miracles happen. Take your last big inhale in 3, 2, 1. Inhale fully. Hold at the top. Feeling the energy, feeling the love, feeling the joy that you just created. Our final exhale in 3, 2, 1. Let it out fully and let your breath return to its natural rhythm. Amazing job today. Notice how you feel. Energized, grounded, at peace. Take this positive energy with you into the rest of your day, and I wish you the most amazing day ahead. Thank you so much for joining me this morning. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more practices like this. Remember, your breath is your superpower. I love you so much, and I'll see you in the next session.